As I previously stated, this is my PRISMA flow diagram, and out of the 3 databases and the keywords, I've yielded 5,995 articles. Upon review, 48 articles were excluded as they were duplicates, 5,030 were removed for not being peer-reviewed scholarly journals in the English language or written between 2007 and 2022. A gap was noticed in the literature, so a 15-year search was conducted. As a result, 188 articles were screened. Of the abstracts and titles, 117 articles were excluded. 71 articles were sought for full article retrieval, and only 44 were actually assessed for eligibility. 23 articles were excluded due to population exclusion, quality of the article, having the wrong setting, and not including mentorship or preceptorship strategies on how to retain nurses. In total, 21 articles were included. Most of the research prior to this study has been systematic literature reviews, focusing on mixed qualitative and quantitative research methods. A few others were cross-sectional quantitative designs or quasi-experimental longitudinal designs that utilized surveys and interviews to develop their studies and compare them to previous literature. Most articles were a level of evidence at 3. These articles focused on qualitative studies, descriptive studies, systematic reviews, or integrative reviews. 2 articles were level D of peer-reviewed professional and organizational standards with the support of clinical recommendations that showed strong support for mentorship programs and were kept for reference. The majority of the samples from the research focused on novice nurses. However, there needed to be more focus on what department the novice nurses began work in. Interventions consisted mainly of surveys and interviews of novice nurses after implementing a mentorship program, transitional program, or preceptorship program that demonstrated the benefits of mentorship on nurse retention, stress level, competence level, and competency in the findings. Literature demonstrated the importance of identifying novice nurses, challenges upon transition to practice, especially in the critical care department. It also identified reasons for leaving and searched for strategies to overcome these difficulties, many of which are mentorship programs.